Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Niska Hidayati. I'm from class A4E3, majoring in accounting at Unisula. I will analyze a journal article from a journal entitled Factor Affecting Motivation for Career Selection of Public Content from Muhammadiyah University, Professor Dr. Hamka. This article was written by Budiandru and published on the Surabaya State University website. This article discusses the factors that influence students in choosing a career in public accounting. The first, in the abstract section, the author described his analysis of a sample of several students, which show that the intrinsic value of work has a positive and significant effect on the motivation to choose a career as a public accountant. While consideration of the work environment and the job market have no effect, the result of this study contribute to developing insight and knowledge about the factor that encourage students to choose a career in public accounting. The second, in the introduction section, the author explained the importance of choosing a career for students majoring in accounting, especially in choosing a career in public accounting. To get a good and promising career in the future, students need to motivate themselves to get the career they aspire to. Public accounting is one of the most expensive professions and is seen as having bright prospects for the world of work because this profession provides an invaluable learning experience. Based on the table in the article, it shows that the number of accountants in Indonesia is still relatively small. Indonesia lacks the number of public accountants and still need this profession in large number to anticipate the growing business sector. This shows the lack of interest of young people to enter the public accounting profession. It can be influenced by economic motivation, labor market motivation, work environment, social value, and many other factors. The third, in the research method section, the author conducted research using samples from students of the Faculty of Economy and Business, Muhammadiyah University, Professor Dr. Hamka. The result of this study indicate that several factors that influence career choice, for example, are the intrinsic value of work, work environment, and labor market consideration. The intrinsic value of work is related to satisfaction in a person during work, while the work environment is related to the work atmosphere such as routine, interesting work, and so on. The fourth, based on the research that has been done, it shows that intrinsic value, work environment, and labor market consideration affect the motivation to choose a career to become a public accountant. Students agree that intrinsic value provides intellectual challenge, a dynamic work atmosphere, demand creativity, and provide freedom to complete important tasks that must be considered. In my opinion, it is not only intrinsic value, work environment, and labor market consideration that are factors for choosing a career in public accounting. There are several other factors. For example, the lack of student understanding of the public accounting profession. From what I see, there are still many students who still lack the ability to make financial report, causing a lack of student interest in the public accounting profession. In Indonesia itself, the public accounting profession is still low due to the lack of student interest in a career as a public accountant. As we know that the public accounting profession is a promising profession with bright job prospect. I think there are several things that can attract student interest in a career as a public accountant, namely by providing learning and understanding about the advantage of public accounting, so that interest in choosing a career in public accounting is higher. In addition, it is necessary to improve the quality of education in Indonesia in order to produce quality graduates and provide motivation about auditing, so that students can choose a career as a public accountant. This is all for me. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'm sorry if there are still many mistakes in English. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.